Good morning. The passage is for July 1st, and we're going to read this. I am Lenny Wennerstrom. We are reading from Dr. Shad Helmstedter's book, 365 Days of Positive Self-Talk for Finding Your Purpose. We're going to talk about changing your direction. I just dropped my pen. Let me grab my pen. I found it. So, changing your direction. But today, let's read for July 1st. Day 183, 183 days left in the year. 2024 is, drum roll please, 50% complete. So we are at the 50 mark on July 1st. So here is your passage for today. Today I'm going for it. I know my goal. I know what I want to do. And I know that all I have to do is to do it. So I choose to take control of my day, stop the excuses, put myself into motion, take action, put all of my energy into making it work, and refuse to stop until I reach the goal. Do you have a goal that you will refuse to stop until you reach it? That's called determination, and that is definitely a key concept of one of the coaching. When I coach, that's a key concept that I teach my clients, because when you have determination, you know that you're going to see it through because it's important enough to you. For whatever reason, it's important, and so you keep that determination strong and centered. It's such a wonderful value to have and a key concept to develop within yourself. So we're going to turn it around. Bzzzt. Ready? Today you're going for it. You know your goal. You know what you want to do, and you know that all you have to do is to do it. So you choose to take control of your day, stop the excuses, put yourself into motion, take action, put all of your energy into making it work, and refuse to stop until you reach the goal. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very beautiful. Okay, so let's read Dr. Shad's note about changing your direction. Because people wonder, do I just have one purpose and that's all? No, we've talked many, many times about having many purposes and really looking for that overarching purpose, whether it be helping people or whatever it is. That's usually it involves helping other people, doing something, because that brings us such joy, because we are one. We all come from source. And so if you do something for others, you're doing it for yourself, and it feels good. So, okay, so changing your direction. What if you find your purpose? Dedicate your choices to making that purpose a driving force in your life, and then something changes and your lifelong purpose doesn't feel like your lifelong purpose anymore. In its positive form, that's called growth. There is no universal truth that dictates we are limited to just one important purpose and to that purpose only. One very wise teacher of mine maintained that we all have 8 or more of them. Whatever the number, it's clear that if the reason you're here is to learn, grow, and get better, then along with each important step in your growth, you could expect change. And along with that change could come a change in purpose, bringing you to the next step up in your direction in life. It is though each time you've completed your purpose, you're given a larger key, which opens a more beautiful door to an even greater purpose, waiting for you to discover it. We are living in a world of virtually unlimited possibilities. Unlimited. Like you, unlimited. There is more we could do than we can even imagine. So the opportunity to find and express more than one purpose is an incredible blessing. Like being able to live more than one lifetime. Which answers the question about finding more than one purpose in your life. Finding first one purpose and then others is not the exception. It's the natural order of things. The natural order of things. So I love this. I love really this for July 1st. I love that we're 50% through the year. And just thinking about it, it's like it's a starting point. And it could be perceived as an ending point. Oh my gosh, Bruce, the first 2 quarters are done. Oh, I better hurry up. I got to find my purpose, or I've got to reach my goals, or whatever it is. I only have 2 more quarters to do it, half a year. Or we could look at it and say, this is the first day of the rest of my life. This is the first day to start again. So as the sun is coming up behind me on Wennerstrom Mountain, that is it's a good reminder that it's just starting your day, your life. It's a new beginning. And it doesn't matter whatever your goal is. When you have a goal, it's the first, you you take that step, you reach that goal, and that is a step to something new. Doesn't matter whether it's getting married and you spent all this time, a year, getting yourself ready to get married, the dresses, the bridesmaids, the whatever, all of that, and put it all together, the budget, put it all together, and then doing, you're married. Okay, that's the first step to something new in your life. That's how it works. It's always a step towards something else. It's really, really beautiful. So we'll read it one last time, and I'll read it in the higher self, you speaking to you. Today you're going for it. You know your goal. You know what you want to do, and you know that all you have to do is to do it. So you choose to take control of your day. Stop the excuses. Put yourself into motion. That's motivation, by the way, movement forward. Take action. Put all of your energy into making it work, and refuse to stop until you reach the goal. Determination, a key concept, a wonderful thing that almost every single successful person, I would say every single successful person, but if you look at a successful person and think of, it doesn't matter, not just financially, but in their lives, in their relationships, in whatever it is that their personal development, that they want to reach, their health, their fitness, what's the one thing that they would all have in common? I say probably, it's because I'm trying to think of anything in this, but all possibilities exist, right? So there could be one or two, but it could just flow so easily to them. But yet it's determination to have success. Determination is that is a key concept, only because it is a value that these people have in common. Determination. They will get it done, just like you will get it done. And this is why the coaching, I would love to work with you if you are interested in the life coaching, because that these key concepts like determination and the ability to keep yourself moving forward for the goals that you choose, and with my guidance to make sure they are absolutely correct for you. I mean, you know best, but sometimes we say, I want to make $1 million. And then, okay, but we got to work back. Like, what are you going to do this week? Just this week, that focus week. What are you going to do to move towards that $1 million? And we go week by week by week until you get to the $1 million or whatever it is. I'm using that as an example that so many of us throw out there. Maybe now it's 2 or a trillion or something, but but anyway, I love you so very, very much. If you would like to work with me, just email me at linny@linnymotivates.com, and it's always in the description. And just put the word winner, because you are a winner. You are a winner. You are here. You are listening. You are understanding. You are understanding that you are more than your body, this 3D dimensional body, and you can move energy. You can move from the invisible, take from the invisible, and bring into the visible, and create the life that you truly believe, because you are the director of your own life. You can do this. You can find your purpose. You can make it work for you. You can activate it if you already know what it is. You can engage with it more. You can build skills around it. You can do and create absolutely anything. You can be, do, have, create absolutely anything that you desire, because you've got this. You got neuroplasticity. You can rewire your brain for the 3D world, and you have your heart, that magnetic heart, to bring in whatever and help you to create between your mind, your brain, your heart, and your knowing and your absolute faith, not hope, not hoping for something outside of you to help you to any of that. It's all within, and you are the director of that within. I love you so very, very much, and we will see you for July 2nd. Have a beautiful day. As always, I believe in you. You can do this, and shining my light to brighten yours. Ciao.